Hey y'all, welcome to our July farm tour. It's a beautiful morning. We've been getting up at about 5 to come over to the farm. So Ian's wearing his coat while he's cleaning up old squash. Got brand new little broccoli here, just planted. Here's our lettuce. We got to shade all our summer lettuce to keep it from getting too hot and bolting. Broccoli here is looking pretty good. There's watermelons hiding down in here somewhere. Yep, right there's one. Look at them stripes. It'll be a while till it's ready. And there's a cantaloupe in there. It'll be ready before too long. And the boys are up here cleaning up some grass and weeds. This tunnel here has some large tomatoes mixed in with, we got some cherry tomatoes in there. Also, I think they're going to see some sun golds here. I really like this sun gold tomato. They're good roasted or on the barbecue. And this is basil. We raise this for Sowers Harvest Cafe. And we also throw a little in your box now and then. This is some more summer lettuce and broccoli that's shaded wire hoops. This is a little more mature. We've been harvesting this several times already. Got beds here that are tarped. And we got cucumbers. Beautiful little cucumber bloom here. Baby cucumber. This greenhouse we have mostly grape tomatoes, and those are also for Sowers Harvest Cafe. Although you'll see a few in your box. We have bell peppers here growing along on the edge of the tunnels. And a hive of busy bees. Look at them bees coming and going. They're here in our radish patch. These are cover crop radishes that we let go to seed, and even pick some radish pods off of them. This is a cover crop of crimson clover, and it's up before the onions. There's also 2 rows of onions planted in there. Squash. Squash always has those big bad yellow blooms that are so beautiful and attract the bees. Bees love them also. And a row of onions. These are bunching onions. Check out that sweet onion. And a carrot. This is a row of colored carrots. That one there happens to be yellow. We're working on shaping a new area, shaping a lot more beds, and we do that with a shovel. And these are a few gladiolas that we planted. Beautiful pink flower there. And hey, thanks for taking our July farm tour. We'll see you next month.